Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ashir Kirk here with Measured Tones Institute and our third and final part of lesson 1, in which we will complete the alphabet, insha'Allah. So, without further ado, let's get started right away. The first letter, Qaf. 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 Not to be mixed up with the next letter, which is Kaf. 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 So the first one is heavy, Qaf, and the second one is light, Kaf. Next letter. Then we have Lam. 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 Similar to the word in English, lamb, the animal. But instead of saying lamb, we say lam. Mim. 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 Noon. 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 Wow. 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 Ha. Ha. Notice that this one is not as sharp as the first one that we did in the first lesson, which is ha. Ha. This one is not ha, but it is ha. So it's not heavy, but it has a less it has less of a sharpness in its pronunciation. Hamza. 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 Now, even though this one is called Hamza, it doesn't have a ha sound like the letter before it, but it has the sound, makes the sound. And this is the last letter. It is written twice in two different ways, but it's the same exact letter. Ya. 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 And as I said, the next letter is also ya, so we won't repeat that. So, alhamdulillah, you have now completed the entire Arabic alphabet. From this point on, I advise that you just watch all 3 videos as many times as it takes to memorize the entire alphabet, so that we can move on to lesson 2, insha'Allah, with connecting letters. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu wa bit tawfiq. May Allah give you His divine assistance.